Now, when you subscribe to AutoCAD, you gain access to 7 specialized toolsets ready to download, including the Electrical toolset. This toolset was purpose-built to drastically speed up your electrical design and drafting, with over 2,000 schematic symbols for inserting into devices. Let's take a look at how the Electrical toolset in AutoCAD 2019 helps you work faster. For our first example, we'll perform a common task: adding a schematic component. Using the Electrical toolset, this task is taken care of in 3 easy steps. Just add wire, then insert the component, and the wire trims automatically to finish the job. It's really that easy with the Electrical toolset. Now, let's see how much easier the toolset makes editing that component. Once more, the process is simplified to 3 steps. Simply select the component, then click Edit Component, and finally, edit the attributes as needed. One more example. Let's look at how to delete the component we've created and edited. Previously, you would have to use the Join command to manually join the lines. But with the Electrical toolset, all it takes is 2 clicks. Right-click the component you want to delete, and then select Delete Component. Using AutoCAD 2019 with specialized toolsets, you're able to simplify tasks that used to be repetitive and time-consuming, allowing you to focus on the most important parts of planning and get even more out of the AutoCAD software you already love.